Pressure is mounting on Revanth Reddy government in Telangana over their deforestation drive in Hyderabad's Kancha Gachibowli. BRS working president K.T. Rama Rao, who has been at the forefront of attacks on Congress party, has now leveled another massive allegation. BRS MLA claims that the government is involved in a 10,000 crore rupee scam by illegally mortgaging a land that did not belong to them. Speaking exclusively to Times Network, KTR says that he is pressing for a thorough probe while welcoming Supreme Court's criticism of the state Congress government.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का अपॉइंटेड सेंट्रल एम्पावर्ड कमेटी था। उन्होंने साफ साफ तीन चीज़ कहा। उन्होंने एक चीज़ तो ये कहा कि यहाँ पे इस मुद्दे में, इस मामले में काफ़ी सीरियस वायलेशंस हुए हैं प्रोसीजर के और फाइनेंशियल इम्प्रोप्राइटी भी इसमें है, उन्होंने साफ साफ कहा। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने ये भी रेकमेंड किया सुप्रीम कोर्ट को कि एक स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसी इसका कार्रवाई करे, उसका काम उनको सौंपा जाए। तो यही सेम चीज़ तो हम मांग रहे थे पिछले 10 दिन से। हम तो यही कह रहे थे कि 10,000 करोड़ का जो फ्रॉड किया गया, जो लैंड वैल्यूज इन्फ्लेट करके और जो लैंड उनकी थी नहीं उसको दिखा के मॉर्गेज करके जो पैसा वसूल किया गया, ये बहुत बड़ी फ्रॉड है। इसलिए हम चाह रहे थे कि आरबीआई या सीरियस फ्रॉड इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसी या सीवीसी, सीबीआई से भी इसमें इंक्वायर करें।
Now, KTR's attack comes a day after Supreme Court tore into Revanth Reddy government over its deforestation drive in Kancha Gachibowli area. The top court stressed on the need for restoration of land that was deforested, ordering the state to come up with a proper plan. Two-judge bench also threatened the officials with action if they refuse to abide by the order or oppose the restoration. Remember, this is a case where the state had moved in with bulldozers in Kancha Gachibowli area, and in the previous hearings, the Supreme Court has said what was the rush to bulldoze the trees down there. Over 100 acres of land has been razed off. Now, the trees there have been razed as well. And the pause was finally imposed after a Supreme Court verdict. Since then, Telangana government has formed a committee in order to look at the use of this land. But now Supreme Court once again coming out and saying that this land that was deforested has to be restored.